Today we're going to look at how easy it is to install subfloor adhesive, the Great Stuff Pro Series, instead of a 28-ounce tube of subfloor adhesive from a local lumber yard. Never done this before, so we're going to see if it's really as easy. We're going to screw the can onto the gun. We're going to open the nozzle. And we're going to lay a bead of subfloor adhesive. Just going to put a bead of sealant here. We're going to shut off the gun. We're going to take a stair tread. We're going to lay this in here. We're going to tap it in. Tamp it down. And that's it. No bending over, squeezing down with 28-ounce tube of subfloor adhesive. That's all there is. It's easy.